2019 Ford Flex. Flex isn't just exciting to look at, it's exciting to drive. It hunkers down, puts a limit on lean. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, CD player, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, compass, trip computer, tachometer, brake assist, overhead console, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, driver vanity mirror, rear window wiper, front bucket seats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.